Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Heto muna ang game recap result ng South Division Finals Game 2. Tinalo ng Bacoor City Strikers ang Batangas City 53-49. Best player of the game si Aaron Hirota matapos humakot ng 7 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists. Nag-ambag naman ng 9.7 rebounds si Jemo Iguelos. Cueco Teye 8 points, 9 rebounds. John Normal 8 points, 4 rebounds. Ivan Ludovice 7 points, 3 assists. Jamer Hamito 7 points. Michael Cañete 4 points, 2 blocks. Mark Ye 4 points, 9 rebounds, 3 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Batangas City, Leve Hernandez 7.6 rebounds. Jixter Apinan 11 points, 2 blocks. CJS at 9.6 rebounds, 6 assists. Ablasa 6 points, 10 rebounds, 3 steals. Pasok sa MPBL National Finals ang Bacoor City Strikers na may kartadang 2-0 lead. Habang sa North Division naman ay dinomina ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns ang serye na may kartadang 2-0. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang MPBL National Finals Game 1 schedule para sa Best of 5 series. November 25, 2023, maglalaban ang Bacoor City Strikers at Pampanga Giant Lanterns alas 7 ng gabi. Nagaganapin sa Brinziao Sports Complex. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.